Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one-stop for all things tech. I'm Rini Gupta, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting-edge software updates to AI breakthroughs, we've got it all covered. Our lead story is about Apple launching iOS 26 and iPadOS 26. Los Angeles-based spacecraft manufacturer Apex raised $200 million in a Series D round, valuing the company at over $1 billion. The funding will expand manufacturing, engineering, and global sales of its Comet satellite bus for LEO constellations. Apex plans a 50% increase in production to support commercial and national security space efforts. Los Spara secured $15 million in seed funding led by Radical Ventures and Inspired Capital. Its AI platform engages leads instantly via voice, email, and chat, improving conversion rates. The funds will expand the team, enhance machine learning models, and deepen integrations. Early adopters like Row report faster lead engagement and higher conversions. Amazon India's 10-minute delivery service, Amazon Now, has reached 100 micro-fulfillment centers across Bangalore, Mumbai, and Delhi. Customers can quickly access groceries, electronics, and personal care products via the Amazon app. The service has seen 25% monthly order growth and tripled Prime members' shopping frequency. Full city coverage and additional centers are planned by year-end. Samsung Electronics hosted the Samsung AI Forum 2025 from September 15-16. Highlights included AI in semiconductors, advanced language models, reasoning systems, and on-device AI innovations like camera AI and automatic dubbing. The forum emphasized AI's role in productivity, scientific discovery, and next-gen consumer electronics. Elon Musk's AI startup xAI laid off over 500 generalist AI tutors as part of a restructuring to focus on specialist experts for its Grok chatbot. The company plans to grow its expert team 10x, raising questions about stability amid aggressive strategic shifts. AI tool of the day, Seedream 4.0. Seedream 4.0 by ByteDance is a professional AI image generation tool offering ultra-fast 2K image rendering and support for up to 6 reference images. It includes advanced text-based editing for precise control, making it ideal for creators, marketers, and designers. Available in India, it competes with Google's Nano Banana for high-quality AI visuals. Our lead story is about Apple launching iOS 26 and iPadOS 26. Apple released iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 today, introducing a refreshed liquid glass interface, faster animations, and improved apps. New features include live translate upgrades, group chat polls, enhanced lock screen customization, a new games app, and visual intelligence tools, including ChatGPT integration. Supported devices include iPhones and iPads from 2019 onward, while older models like iPhone XR and XS will receive iOS 18.7 instead. This update follows the iPhone 17 launch and is free for eligible devices. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Rini.